Planning to manufacture, import, or sell products in India. Many products require BIS certification before entering the Indian market. Non-compliance can lead to penalties, product seizure, and business delays. BIS certification is issued by the Bureau of Indian Standards to ensure that products meet Indian quality and safety standards. It helps businesses demonstrate compliance and build customer trust. BIS certification helps businesses meet regulatory requirements, improve product quality, gain customer confidence, and access the Indian market without compliance-related obstacles. BIS certification helps businesses meet regulatory requirements, improve product quality, gain customer confidence, and access the Indian market without compliance-related obstacles. Various products fall under mandatory BIS certification schemes, including electronics, steel products, appliances, chemicals, LED products, toys, and many other regulated categories. Many businesses struggle with documentation, product testing requirements, technical standards, and communication with authorities. These challenges often result in delays and additional costs. PSR compliance provides complete BIS certification assistance. From initial assessment and documentation to testing coordination and application submission, our experts guide you throughout the certification journey. With experienced compliance professionals and a client-focused approach, PSR compliance helps businesses obtain BIS certification efficiently and confidently. Looking for expert assistance with BIS certification? Contact PSR Compliance today, and let our experts help you achieve compliance quickly and smoothly.